Welcome, gamers. Today I will show you how to upgrade your old GPU to RTX 3070 or RX 6800 XT, completely for free. It has worked for me, I hope it will help you too. So I will explain how I did it. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to say that money will still be needed to achieve this goal. So due to high GPU demand and crypto mining, graphics cards have become very expensive and difficult to buy. So for me looking to replace my old graphics card with a new one, there were three obvious choices. 1. Buy now, but at a very high price. 2. Wait for the graphics card to get cheaper, maybe at the end of the year, or even next year. 3. Take advantage of increased cryptocurrency prices to get one video card for free or at a much lower price than the market. So I chose the third option. I want to make it clear that I'm not offering anyone mine cryptocurrency, but I share my experience because it helped me get a video card for free. And it only took me 6 weeks to achieve that. So if you're still curious, then let's move on. First I will start with a topic on how to get all money back for a video cards in 6 weeks by buying 3 new GPUs. Later I will tell you how to reduce its price in 6 weeks by buying just one video card. I wanted to play games at 4K resolution on my OLED TV, but my old AMD RX 580 graphics card couldn't offer that. In this video I will not talk about RTX 3080 because they are very difficult to buy and the prices are very high. So my first purchase was a Gigabyte RTX 3070 Eagle. Although buying the RTX 3070 was not easy either, I had to refresh the websites of 7 different sellers 5 times every day. They get very small quantities, so when I saw the GPU in stock, I had to buy it very quickly. So the first GPU cost me €890. So for now, I was planning not to buy more GPUs. After receiving the RTX 3070, it turned out that it was even longer than my old RX 580 which already had a hard time fitting in my PC case. So I had to order a new case. While I was waiting for the new case, the Gigabyte RTX 3070 gaming OC came on sale, so I decided that with an extra GPU, the card would be even cheaper for me. This second GPU cost me €965. So new plan was to mine Ethereum with 2 3070 cards and one 580. However, after getting the new case, and installing the RTX 3070, it turned out that the RTX 3070 is too slow for 4K gaming, especially on newer games. Even with DLSS. So since the RTX 3080 was too hard to buy, and the price of the RTX 3090 reached space at all, my focus shifted to AMD. However, even their video cards, which only appeared in very small quantities, were also quite expensive. However, I noticed that the price difference between the RX 6800 and the RX 6800 XT is very small. So I decided to buy the RX 6800 XT. After a few days of searching, I was able to find and buy an water-cooled Asus Strix RX 6800 XT for €1,230. It also took a lot of work to install it in the case. Now 4K gaming is going smoothly even in 4K native mode. So let's count. I spent a total of €3,145 on GPUs and PC case. Now I will tell you how I got my money back. So a friend borrowed me his old rig frame, power supply and risers. I had the old unused motherboard and processor. I wanted to run the 3 graphics cards to mine Ethereum separately, so I could play games on my computer without interrupting the mining process. So now I can play games for 2 to 3 hours a day, and Ethereum mining doesn't stop. All the other times when I don't play games on my PC I mine Ethereum. So in 6 weeks I mined Ethereum and got €730. Then I sold my RX 580 through an used items website. And I got €350 for it. I was lucky because my old GPU has 8 gigabits of RAM and well mine Ethereum, so at the moment its price is high. If the prices of cryptocurrencies had not risen, I think its price would be about €120. And I was lucky again, because the prices of RTX 3070 increased even more, so I sold RTX 3070 Eagle for €1,100, and then I sold RTX 3070 Gaming for €1,200. So let's count again. I spent €3,145, and after selling 3 GPUs and Ethereum I got €3,380. So 3,380 minus 3,145 equals €235. These money left for me. Now I can play games in 4K and the upgrade cost me nothing. So in the end, let's calculate what it would have been if I had bought only one RTX 3070 for €890. So mine Ethereum with 2 GPUs would have brought me approximately €270 in revenue in 6 weeks. I will also count the AMD 580 that I sold for €350. So €950 total spent. So in the end, the upgrade would cost me only €330. So that's all. Thanks for watching.